Yeah, muscle pains. Kitna bhi karo, it's because there's so much around. Pollution, right from the time we get up, pollution, water, food, everything is polluted. So the immunity also goes down. Okay? So now, so how do we manage this? Doctors? Doctors can only give you stress. Doctors can't take away stress. Yeah, that's going to cause more stress. Figures. Yeah. Here's a simple one. See, everything starts with a thought, which impacts your energy, which impacts your body or agree to this? Is this clear? So thought, emotions, energy, body and behavior. Let's look at this example. Suppose you get a bad news. Okay? What are the thoughts in your head? What kind of thoughts you have? How are the emotions? How is the energy level? High or low? How is your body responding? Dull. Now look at getting happy news. Okay, you got a raise in your salary, or you got promoted, or you're going to get married, or you're going to go for a trip to some destination which you really enjoy. Thoughts are good. Positive thoughts. And how are the emotions? Energy. And how is the body? Think about it, energetic. Energy is high. If you're happy, you're feeling energetic. Like kids. Kids, that's why they are continuously paying a tough time handling them. Because kids are generally very happy. They are excited. You can't match them. And how is the body behavior? Body is relaxed and you are capable of doing more. And how is your behavior at that time? Positive or negative? If someone comes up with something, they get angry also, you'll say, "Arey, chhod na yaar." Doesn't matter. But at the same time, if you are not, you are disturbed. How are you reacting to that person? Even a small, trifling disturbance, trivial problem, what do? You react. See, I'm not even going to the behavior problems, behaviors. Getting angry, fighting, tantrums, screaming, or just going into your room, banging things. मैं उसमें सब नहीं जा रहा हूँ. We are not getting into that because we know all that. Okay? But we'll go into understanding stress or managing it more than getting into knowing what is stress. कैसा होता है. We'll not get into it. Okay? So now, there are various ways of handling stress. Managing stress in daily life. You said meditation. I'll tell you something. If you're really sad and down, avoid doing meditation. If you are really sad and down, especially depression patients, don't do meditation. Because when you meditate, you go into which space of mind? Conscious or subconscious? Subconscious. How many of you say subconscious? Yeah. And how many of you say conscious? When you are meditating, you go into your subconscious. And subconscious has and multiply the same thing. Are you getting me? 6,000 times more. That's why severely depressed patients are not supposed to be doing meditation. They're supposed to be doing something else. We'll learn that. Okay, what we'll do now, we'll just do one of the exercises which is very good. Do you want to do that? Yeah? So, close your eyes, put your feet down. Focus on your breath. Okay. So not come down, no? Sit here. Focus on your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. And as you breathe out, release all the stress and the tension through your mouth. Breathe in deep through your nose. Take in the positive energies. Breathe out through your mouth. And feel all the tensions and worries going out through your mouth, through your breath. Keep doing it. Yeah. Open your eyes. What is the change that it produces in you? Yeah. Anyone? How does it make you feel? When you breathe out and when you do this cleansing breathing, this is called cleansing breathing. How does it make you feel? Headache is slightly less. Yeah. Refreshed. Huh? Gives peace and
cool. Mind and brain feel
cool. Very good. And how much time we did it? Not even. It's 15 seconds maybe. I'm saying it's so easy, it's so simple, and it takes a little while. And the best part is you can do it anywhere. Train, yahan, wahan, kahin pe bhi ho, kitna bhi crowded ho, you can do it. Okay, and the best time to practice or best place to practice is when you are really getting stressed. Are you getting me? Now, this is the first one. The second one is, which you all know, which is very simple, is called this. And then we are not getting into the counts and anything because we are doing very basic. Okay, so just put finger on one of the nostrils. Yeah, and breathe in through the second nostril, the other one. Hold the first one and then open the closed nostril and then breathe out. Different people do it differently. And do it slowly. See, remember, take your own time. Yeah? Do it 10 times. 8 to 10 times. Yeah? And do it very slow. It has to be just the nose. Yeah. How does this make you feel? Huh? Relax. How's your head now? Better? It will keep getting better. Remember, any kind of pain, if you have just started getting pains, it's like the initial kind of pain and you think you just need a crocin or something, I suggest don't take crocin and all. Just do these exercises. And you will never ever need medicines. I've been, it's been almost 2-3 years that I have not touched any medicines. Not just because I'm a doctor, but because I practice a lot of all these things. Including when I get severe cough or I got congestion of the chest or sometimes